Let's analyze the latest data. Let's analyze the latest data. Use this when starting a data analysis session. The data shows a clear trend. The data shows a clear trend. Use this when explaining a noticeable pattern in the data. We identified a key insight. We identified a key insight. Use this when presenting an important finding. Customer demand has increased. Customer demand has increased. Use this when discussing higher customer demand. Sales were higher than expected. Sales were higher than expected. Use this when reporting better than expected sales results. Revenue grew steadily this quarter. Revenue grew steadily this quarter. Use this when explaining consistent business growth. This region performed the best. This region performed the best. Use this when comparing regional performance. The data supports our decision. The data supports our decision. Use this when using data to justify a business decision. We need more information. We need more information. Use this when there isn't enough data to reach a conclusion. Let's compare the results. Let's compare the results. Use this when reviewing two or more sets of data. This chart highlights the trend. This chart highlights the trend. Use this when presenting a chart during a meeting. The numbers look promising. The numbers look promising. Use this when the results are positive. We should monitor this KPI closely. We should monitor this KPI closely. Use this when a key performance indicator needs regular attention. The forecast is encouraging. The forecast is encouraging. Use this when discussing positive future expectations. This metric is below our target. This metric is below our target. Use this when explaining underperforming results. Let's identify the root cause. Let's identify the root cause. Use this when investigating the reason behind a problem. The data tells a different story. The data tells a different story. Use this when the results are different from expectations. We can improve this process. We can improve this process. Use this when suggesting process improvements. I'll prepare a detailed analysis. I'll prepare a detailed analysis. Use this when promising a more in-depth review. Let's validate these findings. Let's validate these findings. Use this when confirming that your analysis is accurate. This recommendation is based on the data. This recommendation is based on the data. Use this when explaining that your suggestion comes from analysis. The results exceeded our expectations. The results exceeded our expectations. Use this when reporting excellent business performance. We discovered a new opportunity. We discovered a new opportunity. Use this when identifying a potential area for growth. Data helps us make better decisions. Data helps us make better decisions. Use this when emphasizing the value of data-driven decisions. Thank you for reviewing the analysis. Thank you for reviewing the analysis. Use this at the end of a presentation or discussion about your findings.